Welcome back. Now let's talk about leadership. What are some characteristics of leadership? Depending on what is expected of a leader, they may require countless different attributes to be successful in their role. A military leader might need courage, endurance, and loyalty, where a leader in a restaurant kitchen may require dependability, enthusiasm, and the ability to multitask. Leaders should be willing to take action and take risks. They should be able to motivate and inspire their followers to take action. They should also lead by example, never asking something of their followers that they would not do themselves. What is the difference between transactional leadership and transformational leadership? Transactional leadership is the process a leader uses to get their followers to perform. For example, a manager offers their employees a bonus to meet their sales goals. This is a transaction, this for that. A transformational leader inspires others to go beyond the basic duties of their role and join in a shared vision of the future. For example, a manager who shares that the restaurant is struggling to gain business might inspire their employees to invite their friends and family to visit the restaurant and share information about the restaurant on their social media platforms. What is the difference between a capable leader and a good leader? Imagine a man who is motivated to make change. He's a military veteran and a strong public speaker. He can influence a crowd and make them feel. He wrote a popular book sharing his ideas and views. He is shown in photos smiling with children and petting dogs. Does this man sound like a good leader? What if I told you I just described Adolf Hitler? One can have the attributes of a great leader, but can also be working towards a terrible goal. The ability to lead is not only held by those who want to lead for good. A good leader must be able to attract and motivate followers and inspire loyalty. They must follow through on their promises. They must surround themselves with others who share their vision and have the skills and traits which they lack. They must be an example. And finally, what sets a good leader apart from a capable leader is the ability to do what is right rather than what is popular. This is the concept of ethics. So what does ethics mean? Ethics are the set of moral principles that help people determine right from wrong in situations they encounter. Every person will have a unique code of ethics that they have established based on their upbringing, beliefs, and life experiences. Stephen Hall created a code of ethics specifically for the hospitality industry. This code details how hospitality companies should conduct themselves in relation to their customers, employees, competitors, partners, and the world around them.